Okay. Sir, ano na lang masasabi mo sa nangyari po na nilabas ng Supreme Court tungkol po kay VP Sara Duterte?
Well, you know, with all due respect sa Supreme Court, opinion ko lang, I do not agree sa decision ng Supreme Court. Kasi kung hindi mabago yan, halos it's impossible to file an impeachment complaint against impeachable officials. It's so easy to sabotage the filing of an impeachment complaint. Bakit? Kung nakalagay dyan na from the moment it is filed in Congress that is deemed as initiated, that will start the effectivity of the one-year ban. Hindi ganun yung decision ng Supreme Court in the Francisco case. Sa Francisco case, yung impeachment complaint, kasi yung importante na dapat klaro is when is an impeachment complaint then initiated that will start the running of the one-year ban pursuant to the Constitution. And in the previous decision of the Supreme Court, an impeachment complaint is deemed initiated. One, if it did not contain the numbers of congressmen endorsing it to the Senate, it is considered as deemed initiated when it is endorsed by plenary to the Justice Committee. That's only when an impeachment complaint is considered to have been deemed initiated. Diyan magsimula ang counting of the one-year ban. Now, yung decision nila na hindi halos binago yan, as I said, ito yung sinasabi ko na I have the fear na walang makakarating sa Senado for trial kung ganun yung kasi kung may nag-file ng complaint kahit na valid grounds, magpunta ka lang ng mag-file ng another complaint, considered as barred na yan. So, anong resulta? We are not complying with the mandate of the Constitution that public office is a public trust. Every officer, employee is accountable to the people. Paano mo ma-implement yan kung ganun yung That's why, as I said, opinion ko lang, ngunit I feel sad na ganun yung decision ng Supreme Court.
Opo. Pero sir, pwede ba ko silang mag-file ulit ng...
I think there's a motion for reconsideration file. Hintayin natin. Kasi yung makakalungkot, wala pang dissenting opinion. Unanimous yung Supreme Court to that effect. Of course, ako, as a lawyer, and then who have some little knowledge on previous jurisprudence, I do not agree.